Hello, class. Just wanted to check in with everyone. Hopefully, you're doing all well this week. We're at the midway point of the term. Really can't believe it. You're all doing wonderful work. Really proud of your efforts in our course. I just want to let you know that for this week, in addition to your discussion board and interactive assignments, you'll notice that we have a midterm exam. Just an FYI, you will have 2 attempts to take the midterm exam, and the highest of your scores will count towards your final grade. You'll notice in Unit 4, actually, your textbook has some great strategies, so I encourage you to take a look at that to sort of help you prepare, in addition to going back and looking at some of your previous assignments that you've submitted, just to review to help you prepare as well. As usual, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email, call, or text. Good luck this week, and I'll see you all on the discussion boards. Go Eagles.